Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are going so well. I'm your English teacher here to conduct this video class for grade 1. Today is 17th August 2020 and it's Monday. It's the e-learning platform of Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Duftarane Millat Higher Secondary School, and your presence on this platform is warmly welcome. Let's see the vision of our school: to develop a prosperous and God-fearing society on the basis of education. मैसेज ऑफ द वीक एंड इट्स हदीस जामे तरमज़ी की ये हदीस है। रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने इरशाद फरमाया, अल्लाह के नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से सवाल किया गया, अफजल तरीन अमल कौन सा है? आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, नमाज को अव्वल वक्त में अदा करना। इसका मतलब ये है कि जब अज़ान हो तो नमाज को मुकर्ररा वक्त पर बाकायदगी से अदा करना चाहिए और नमाज की अदायगी में कोताही, वक्त की कोताही बिल्कुल नहीं करनी चाहिए। Okay students, it's the second week of month August and the topic that we are going to discuss is unit 6, sharing and caring, and the area and you can say content that we are going to discuss are reading, alphabetical order, use of article, ing addition, words meanings, word sentences, and use of is, am and are. First of all, we are going to read Unit 6, Sharing and Caring. That's page number 34, and it's model reading for you because it's the part of your exams as oral exams. So you must have to be prepared for reading. And basically, this lesson is about the two students. They are our brother and sister, Fiza and Ali, and they are so good students, and they help in this lesson. According to this lesson, they help their class fellow, that's name is Umar. Umar don't have black shoes as their uniform. So these two students, Fiza and Ali, just collect their pocket money and they help their class fellow Umar by giving black shoes as a gift. Let's start reading. Sharing and caring. Ali and Fiza are brother and sister. They like to take care of their classmates and share things with them because they know sharing is caring. One day, Fiza saw Ali sitting alone by himself in the corner of his room. He looked sad. Ali, why are you so sad? Asked Fiza. Our class teacher told of my friend Umar today. She said that if he did not wear black shoes, she won't let him in the classroom. He said, looking very worried. His father does not have a job. He can't buy him a new pair of shoes. Fiza thought for a while and said, Brother, do not worry. Bring your money box. We will collect money and buy him a new pair of shoes. She also took out her money box. They collected all the coins from the money boxes and went to their father. They told their father that they wanted to help a child in need. He was very happy to hear this. They went out with their father and bought a new pair of black shoes. In the evening, Ali went to Umar's house and gifted him the black shoes. Umar's eyes filled with joy. Sharing brings happiness to us. It shows how much we care for our friends and loved ones. Ali and Fiza had shared their pocket money with the friend. They were very happy. Okay, it was all about the reading of this unit. 6. Sharing and caring. And after reading this unit, you will be able to learn that sharing obviously is so good thing, and it shows how much we are concerning to our loving ones, to our friends, neighbor fellows, and our surrounding people that's need most. So we should help the needy ones. Okay, let's start your summer pack, and it's the work of week 2, second week of August. Question number 1. Write the words in alphabetical order. You have given these words like sister, day, money, box, and pocket. So first of all, we have to obviously we have to consider the very first letter of these words. So let's start. Here we have the very first letter A is missing. So after A we have to consider B, that's box. C is missing. Next D, it's day. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Next money. M, N, O, P. Next pocket. Q, R, and S. The remaining and last one S, sister. Now you can see the alphabetical order as box, day, money, pocket, sister. Question number 2. Put correct article, and obviously we have to discuss the articles too, like A and N, and we have to put A with consonants and N with vowels. The words that are going to start with vowels. Ali has dash pen. Ali has a pen. We have dash umbrella. We have an umbrella. They have dash ball. They have a ball. I have dash apple. I have an apple. Okay, question number 3. Put ing with the words that's share, care, wear, collect, show. So I think so I have discussed this thing, like you have to put ing with the whole word like as given. आपने शेयर को ing जब ऐड करना है तो आपने जो प्रीवियस स्पेलिंग हैं जो पीछे दिए गए हैं आपने उनको भी साथ लिखना है. यहाँ पे ई मिस कर रहे हैं तो SHARING स्पेलिंग आप देख सकते हैं. और ing जस्ट ब्लैंक में नहीं लिखना, आपने पूरा वर्ड लिखना है और उसके एंड पे ing पुट करना है. इस तरह यहाँ पे की मिस हो रहा है, सॉरी ई, CARING कैरिंग. नेक्स्ट वेयर, wearing, collect, collecting, show, showing. The last 3 words are quite easy because you just have to put ing, and the first 2 ones you have to neglect the E. So after replacing E with ing, you can write this sharing and caring. Question number 4. Match the words with their meanings. आपको एक कॉलम में वर्ड्स गिवन है और दूसरे कॉलम में मीनिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू रीड बोथ दीज कॉलम्स. शेयर, कॉर्नर, alone, classmate, job, nook, without someone to divide, work, class fellow. So after reading we will be able to match the relative word with its meaning. Share, to divide. Corner, nook. Alone, without someone. Classmate, class fellow. Job, work. So प्यारे बच्चों, आपको लास्ट वीडियो में आई थिंक सो मोर देन 2 टाइम मैं बता चुकी हूँ कि आपने मैचिंग स्केल से करनी है और एक्यूरेट मैचिंग करनी है, मैस क्रिएट नहीं करना. काइंडली स्केल से मैचिंग किया करें, बिकॉज अगर आपकी प्रैक्टिस विदाउट स्केल होगी तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल बी नॉट एबल टू मैच करेक्टली इन एग्जाम्स और इन पेपर. सो आप जितने समर पैक्स ऑलमोस्ट मैं चेक कर चुकी हूँ, मोस्ट जो समर पैक्स हैं उनमें मैचिंग स्केल से नहीं की गई. काइंडली इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राइट सेंटेंसेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट वर्ड दैट्स मनी. Ali has a lot of money in his bag. Buy का मीनिंग है खरीदना, कुछ बाय करना, लाइक आपने कुछ लेना. They want to buy a car. Shoes. I like to wear black shoes. Happy. We are feeling happy today. Friend. Shiza is my first friend. Okay, the last one, that's question number 6. Fill in the blanks with the use of is, am and are. So before filling आपको ये बता दिया जाता है कि इज़ आपने सिंगुलर जो नाउन है उसके साथ यूज़ करना है, आर अपने प्लूरल नाउन के साथ यूज़ करना है, और एम जस्ट आपने आई जो कि पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है उसके साथ यूज़ करना है. सो हियर इज़ ही डैश वर्किंग इन अ स्कूल. ही इज़ अ सिंगल बॉय and is a pronoun, so we have to use here is. He is working in a school. Alia dash jumping. Alia is obviously the name of a girl and is a single name, so we have to write here is. Alia is jumping. They dash eating mangoes. Here they represent a group of people or many people, more than 2 people, so you can write here they are eating mangoes. Dad dash my car. Dad is my car. And dad also shows a singular noun, singular thing. I dash sad. Obviously I am sad. Okay students, it was all about the today's video class. Let's note down your diary. That's unit 6, sharing and caring, and you just have to learn reading of unit 6, words meanings and words sentences. Okay, it's the contact sites of the school, Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. For YouTube we must have to tell, like, to gain or to receive videos on regular basis or daily basis, you have to subscribe the channel, YouTube channel of school, like POA Mandir, and after subscribing you have to press the bell icon to receive videos on daily basis. You can also note down the contact numbers of the school. You can see the website of our school. Okay students, see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.